My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. It's the 2022 Tesla Model 3. This vehicle has done just over 15,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the touchscreen, if we click the Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls, dynamics, charging, autopilot, navigation, and safety. Within safety, we have unique features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we click here, we can access the 360 degrees camera, and with that, you can access your dash cam footage. Now, as we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that it has a full leather black interior and a panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.